Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. It's great to have you here with us again. How are you today, Emma?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I had a good night's sleep and a nice breakfast, so I'm ready for today's episode. How about you?
I'm good too. I woke up a little late this morning, but I had my coffee, so now I'm awake and full of energy.
Coffee saves the day again. Today, we're talking about something that everyone can relate to, daily routines.
Yes, your daily routine means all the things you do every day, like waking up, eating, working, relaxing, and going to bed.
Exactly. We'll share our own routines, teach some new words, and maybe tell a few funny stories too. So, grab a drink, relax, and let's get started.
All right, let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Okay, so Ben, what time do you usually wake up?
Well, on weekdays, I wake up around 7, but sometimes I hit the snooze button once or twice.
Oh, the snooze button. Listeners, that's when you press the button on your alarm clock or phone to stop it for a few minutes so you can sleep a little more.
Yes, but it's dangerous because I say just 5 more minutes and then suddenly it's 7:30.
I know that feeling. I usually wake up at 6:30, but I like to stay in bed for a few minutes scrolling on my phone.
Checking messages and social media.
Exactly. But I try not to spend too long. If I look at too many videos, I forget the time.
That's so true. I once watched one video in bed and then suddenly it was 30 minutes later. My coffee got cold.
Oh no! Speaking of coffee, do you drink it every morning?
Yes, every single morning. I make coffee right after I wake up. Without coffee, I can't think or talk properly.
So your brain only starts working after the first cup?
Exactly. What about you, Emma?
I also love coffee, but sometimes I drink tea instead, especially if I wake up too early. Tea feels calmer.
Nice. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually something simple, toast with jam, maybe some fruit and little yogurt. If I have more time, I'll make eggs.
That sounds healthy. I normally have toast and eggs too, sometimes cereal. But when I'm in a hurry, I just grab a banana and go.
Ah, yes, the banana breakfast. Quick and easy. I think we all do that sometimes.
Totally. After breakfast, what do you do next?
I make my bed first. It's a small thing, but it makes me feel organized. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for the day.
I like that. Making your bed, I read somewhere that making your bed in the morning gives you a small win to start your day. Like you've already done something productive.
Yes, that's exactly how it feels. How about you? What's your next step after breakfast?
Well, I take a shower, get dressed, and sometimes I listen to music while getting ready. It helps me wake up.
Oh, me too. I love listening to music in the morning. It makes the day start happier. What kind of music do you play?
Mostly upbeat songs, pop or jazz, something that makes me dance a little while brushing my teeth.
That's a funny image, dancing with a toothbrush. That's a fun image.
Yeah, but one time I almost dropped the toothbrush in the sink because I was dancing too hard.
Oh no. Okay, so after getting ready, what's next? Do you work from home?
Most days, yes. I start work around 9 o'clock. I check my emails, write my to-do list, and plan my tasks.
That's a good start. For our listeners, to-do list means a list of things you need to do that day. It helps you stay organized.
Exactly. What about you, Emma? What's your work routine like?
I also work from home sometimes. I start around 8:30 or 9. Before that, I like to go for a short walk, maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
It helps me clear my head before sitting down to work.
That's a good idea. I should try that. I usually just sit down at my desk with my coffee and start right away.
You know, even a small walk can make you feel more focused. Plus, you get some fresh air.
Yeah, true. Sometimes when I stay inside all day, I feel sleepy or unmotivated.
A walk sounds perfect.
Exactly. So during the morning, I usually work on writing projects or preparing lessons. Around 11 o'clock, I take a short break.
Same here. I stretch, drink water, and maybe listen to a short podcast or song.
That's a good mini break. For everyone listening, stretch means to move your body to relax your muscles. It's really helpful when you sit for a long time.
Yes, you can stretch your arms, neck, or legs. It's simple but important.
So then, what time do you eat lunch?
Usually around 12:30. I like something quick, maybe a sandwich or salad. Sometimes pasta if I have leftovers.
Leftovers. Good word. That means food from a previous meal that you didn't finish.
Exactly. What about you? What's your lunch like?
I like cooking rice and vegetables or sometimes soup. And I love making smoothies, especially in summer.
Smoothies are great, healthy and refreshing. What's your favorite flavor?
Banana and strawberry. Classic.
Nice choice. After lunch, do you take a break?
Yes, a short one. I don't like working right after eating. Sometimes I read or just sit quietly for 10 minutes.
That's smart. I usually do the same. Then I go back to work until 5 or 6.
Same here. But I make sure to stand up and move every hour. Sitting too long is bad for your back.
Oh, yes, I learned that the hard way. One time I worked for 5 hours without standing up, and my back was like, no more.
Your back went on strike.
Yes, it needed a vacation.
So when the workday ends, what do you do?
That's my favorite part of the day, the evening. I usually close my laptop, stretch again, and start making dinner.
What do you like to cook?
Sometimes spaghetti, sometimes chicken and vegetables, but sometimes I get lazy and order pizza.
Ah, yes, the famous I'll just order pizza moment.
Exactly. It's a classic. What about you? What's your dinner routine?
I like to cook something light, maybe soup, salad, or noodles. I enjoy cooking, so I put on music and make it relaxing.
That sounds cozy. Do you eat alone or with friends?
Usually alone, but sometimes I have dinner with my neighbor or friends. It's nice to talk while eating.
Yes, dinner with friends is the best. After dinner, I like to watch a movie or play a video game.
I usually read a book or watch a TV show. Lately, I've been watching a cooking show, and it always makes me hungry again.
Oh, I know that feeling. Watching food while you're full, but suddenly you want dessert.
Exactly. Speaking of dessert, do you eat sweets after dinner?
Sometimes, maybe a cookie or some chocolate. Just a little.
Same here. I can't say no to chocolate.
Who can? So, after all that, when do you go to bed?
Usually around 10:30 or 11. I try not to stay up too late.
That's good. I usually go to bed later, around midnight. I like reading or scrolling on my phone before sleeping.
Oh, I used to do that too, but now I try not to use my phone before bed. The screen light keeps my brain awake.
Yes, that's true. Too much screen time can make it hard to fall asleep.
Exactly. For everyone listening, screen time means the amount of time you spend looking at screens, your phone, computer, or TV.
Right, I'm trying to reduce mine. Sometimes I listen to calm music instead. It helps me sleep faster.
That's a good idea. I like doing a short stretch before bed. It makes me feel relaxed.
You really love stretching.
I do. Maybe I'm secretly a yoga teacher.
Maybe. So, Emma, do you ever have days when your routine changes?
Yes, of course. On weekends, everything is different. I sleep a bit longer and I don't plan too much. It's my lazy day.
Same here. I wake up later, make pancakes, and maybe go out with friends or visit my family.
Pancakes, yum. I love making them on Sundays too. Do you put syrup on them?
Yes, maple syrup and butter, the classic way. Sometimes I add fruit too.
That sounds delicious. I'll have to try that next weekend.
So we talked about morning, afternoon, evening, and even weekends. What's your favorite part of the day?
Hmm, I think morning. I like the quiet time when the world is still calm. What about you?
I'd say evening. I love the feeling of finishing my work and relaxing with dinner and music.
That's a great choice. Everyone's routine is different, but having one helps us stay balanced and healthy.
Exactly. And it's a great topic to practice English. You can use words like wake up, get ready, go to work, have lunch, watch TV, and go to bed.
Right. Let's review some vocabulary for our listeners.
Okay, repeat after us. Wake up, get ready, snooze button, make your bed, checklist, commute, lunch break, leftovers, screen time.
Nice. These are all great words to describe your daily routine.
You can practice by describing your own day. Like, I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Yes. And you can record yourself speaking to hear your pronunciation.
That's a great idea. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Before we finish, I think we should tell one last little story.
Okay, go ahead.
Once, I woke up very late, like 9 o'clock, and I had a meeting at 9:15. I ran around the house like crazy, brushing my teeth with one hand and putting on my sweater with the other. I didn't even notice my sweater was backward until the end of the meeting.
That's hilarious. I've done something similar. One morning, I got ready, made coffee, and even started working. Then realized it was Saturday. No work.
Oh, that's the best kind of mistake, working on your day off.
Yes, at least I had a clean house and strong coffee that day.
That's a win.
Well, I think that's a good note to end on.
Yes, thank you all for joining us today. We hope you learned some new words and had fun listening.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends if you enjoyed it.
And tell us, what's your daily routine? Write it in the comments below.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time on Easy English with Emma and Ben.